Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel KNK Admin. In this video, I am going to cover very important hiring opportunity and you have to watch the video till the end because at the end I am going to discuss about the all important hirings. Okay, first I am going to discuss about the biggest announcement from the Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs Graduate Campus Hiring Program 25-26 has been started and this is very important hiring program for the students who are pursuing their degree. Okay, so now talking about the like application details, and you have to understand well like how to apply because the hiring process is different and you have to apply differently. So you have to understand the process. What are the application details? Registration for the program start from the 21st of May. It is very recent opportunity from like yesterday it has been started. The registration, the last date to apply is 30th of May 2025. Okay, so guys, before 30th of May you can apply in this hiring opportunities. And what is the eligibility criteria? So if you can see, last time like Goldman Sachs hiring program was there, campus hiring program, it was great hiring program, and almost students got the response from the Goldman, and aptitude assessment they have completed also. Okay, so eligibility criteria currently graduating in 2027 from non-engineering bachelor's degree. Okay, so 27 batch students can apply, and location this is for Bangalore and Hyderabad location. So two locations will be there, and guys, apply now. You don't need to click now, apply now. Okay, I will suggest like how to apply in this one. So here you can see the timelines. What is the exact timeline? Suppose if you shortlist for this hiring opportunity, first registration it is and be started from the May 21st to 30th of May, right? So registration till 31st of after registration it will take some time, like after 1 week, after 1 week or 2 weeks you will get the response like shortlisted mail, aptitude assessment, then aptitude assessment on June 5. Like so that like I already mentioned, like it will take 1 to 2 weeks, 1 week of approx like for shortlisting. Then you will get the aptitude assessment mail also. Then aptitude assessment will be on 5th of June. After the aptitude assessment, the pre-placement talk will be there. In 4 days you will get the response. You will get the mail also for the pre-placement talk. That will be on 9th of June. Then upskilling session will be on 12th of June, and then one group discussion round will be there, that is 19th of June. After that, if you clear this one, then interviews will be there, that will start from the 27th of June, right? So your process almost completed by the 27th of June, and in the July or after sometimes you will get the like more responses or more clarification. Okay, so this is the exact hiring process that you can see for the Goldman Sachs, okay, campus hiring program that is newly announced. Now how to apply for this hiring opportunity I will tell you. So this is the exact application process. To commence your application process, click on the register button. You have to click on the register button and please apply for the role. Okay, so basically whenever you are clicking, whenever you click for the apply now button, you can see the different job rules. In which job rule you have to apply? So there will be like 2026 graduate campus hiring program, 2026 India graduate campus hiring program for VLA Hyderabad, same only had summer internship, human capital management, operation, like field will be there, that different field like operation, compliance, human capability management, investment banking, corporate planning. So different category will be there. So like students can choose three different categories. Okay, please note you can apply for maximum three roles only. Okay, don't apply more than three. Like if you are applying for four roles, like your application will be rejected directly. So you have to apply only three roles. If you want to apply an operation, compliance, human capability management, then you can definitely apply. So according to your choice you can select three different job role and you have to apply there. Okay, so how to apply? So basically if I'm clicking here like apply now, so you can see the job role like okay, in the Goldman Sachs hiring platform you can see like see 26, so different job role you have to mention. Now you can go and check the job description, then you have to click apply. Okay, then you have to click apply, then you can provide your details like email ID, then you have to agree provide the email ID and then process the next. So this is the hiring process, like how to apply. You don't need to apply directly from here. You just have to select the job rules, like accordingly like what job rules you are going to apply, then you have to apply. So this is very amazing hiring drive, and finally it has been announced. So you can apply if you are eligible. If you are from the 27 batch, then you can try in this hiring opportunity. Now I am going to discuss about the next hiring, which is from the SI Abloy. SI Abloy currently hiring for associate software engineer, and this is technical hiring opportunity. If you want to apply, guys, then you should have bachelor's degree in computer science or information system, SQL knowledge you should have, HTML, CSS, JavaScript knowledge you should have. And guys, if you registered on found it, if you are experienced candidate, if you are fresher candidate, then you can register in company wise job specific opportunity. You can search by selecting the criteria and experience. Okay, so you can apply. Now talking about the next and important hiring drive which has been announced from the Rupeek. Rupeek direct hiring, and it is very short deadline. Every time you see like Rupeek hiring and it has been closed. Like, so before closing the application, now you have to fill this application form. So they are hiring for technical support engineer internship. What are the skills requirement? Basic computer knowledge you should have. Good with logic. BTech or BC students can apply for this hiring opportunity. And what is the interview rounds? Like three technical rounds will be there, three technical interviews will be there. After that you will get shortlisted. How to apply in this hiring opportunity? You have to fill this application form, and duration will be 6 months, and 15K per month you will get as a stipend. Okay, so Rupi currently hiring for technical support engineer. You have to upload your resume, and you can fill this form as soon as possible. We have to fill this form. Now talking about the hiring opportunity which is from the Gain Solution, they are hiring for different like positions. They are hiring for a front end intern, they are hiring for like a backend intern, and they are hiring for AI or ML intern. If you are looking for an internship in different field, you can apply, and this is direct hiring opportunity. You can find the link in my description box also, so you can directly apply. This is guys direct hiring opportunity for a Hyderabad location. And this will be like kind of like you will directly apply, and directly you can participate in walk and drive, and so many students are got shortlisted from the AccuJob platform also. So guys, you have to definitely apply in this hiring opportunity also. Now talking about the next hiring opportunity, which is summer internship drive for engineering and management students from the JETSA corporate entity. This is also good hiring opportunity. And how to get this one? You just have to apply here, quickly apply, and what you will get: job offer, letter of recommendation, certification completion of 16K per month stipend you will get for this hiring opportunity also. Okay, so in this one also you can apply. And Coca-Cola hiring challenge, Mantra challenge also started for the MBA or PGDM student batch of 25 to 27. So this students also can apply for this hiring opportunity, and this is also direct test hiring opportunity. You will get the stipend, approx stipend opportunity 2.5 lakhs per month. This type of opportunity you will get after this hiring challenge. Now talking about the hiring opportunity which is from the Solartis, and they are conducting walk-in interview registration associate business analyst. Okay, so if you are looking for business analyst job role, so you have to fill this application form. You have to fill year of passing, like if you are from the 25 batch, 23 and 22 and 22, like three batch, then you can apply. From 22 to 25 batch students can apply for this hiring opportunity. You can apply in this hiring also. Next जो hiring के बारे में हम बात करेंगे, that is from the next web. Guys, next web is going to do something big in the Hyderabad location. You can clearly see here what's confirmed for tomorrow's next wave mega drive in Hyderabad. So Hyderabad, like it is conducted a walk and drive. There will be 200 plus fresh tech candidates openings, 75 plus openings, 25 plus recruiters. So there will be so many like mega offline drive is going to happen in the Hyderabad location. So what you have to do, if you want to apply guys for tomorrow, then you have to contact directly them, and you can like check the details also. This is very good hiring opportunity also guys. So you can try this one, you can contact them, you can apply in this hiring opportunity. Talking about the hiring which is from the Bright Age currently hiring for DevOps engineer, and which is for FSS, and you can clearly see what is the requirement. Bachelor's degree you should have in computer science engineering field, AWS knowledge if you have, database skills you should have, so you can apply in this hiring opportunity. This is also one of the biggest hiring, one of the important hiring. If you are looking for DevOps job roles, then you can apply in this opportunity also. Okay, next we have opportunity from the Sprinkler currently hiring for technical support engineer as a full time. Then you can apply in this hiring opportunity also. Guys, in this video I have discussed about the biggest hiring announcements. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.